Apen Group supports beauty. The right solution to heat your church? Choose AH, Apen Group's modular condensing heating unit. You can choose from a wide range of models from 105 to 320 kilowatts according to the size and the configuration of the rooms. AH is easy to install, even in rooms with limited access, thanks to its modular composition. Save on consumption thanks to the high efficiency fans which manage the movement of air, reducing noise. And who controls? SmartWeb, the smart control of Apen Group. SmartWeb controls the units, allowing you to set the desired temperature for the duration of religious functions. AH, the ideal climate for our artistic and cultural heritage.